Hello student, good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in last day we had discussed about the topic algebraic expressions, and also we were solving some problems of worksheet 1. Today I am going to next topic, that means multiplication of binomials. So let us move toward the topic. Dear students, if monomial, first you to solve in previous class monomial to binomial, now binomial to binomial. Suppose a plus b into a plus c plus d. So a into whole c plus d plus b into c plus d, and this type is monomial to binomial, monomial to binomial. A into c and a into d, and b into c and b into d. In worksheet 3, find the product of binomials. You are given 5x plus 3 into 2x plus 4. So 5x into 2x plus 4 plus 3 into 2x plus 4. That is our 5x into 2x plus 5x into 4 plus 3 into 2x plus 3 into 4 is equal to 5 to the 10 x square plus 5 4 the 20x plus 3 to the 6x plus 3 4 the 12. That is 12x square and 20x plus 6x, like expression, algebraic expression. So 20 plus 6, 26x plus 12. This is your product of given two binomials, and this is your answer. And next question is multiply the binomials and verify the result of the given for the given value. Your first question, 2x square minus 5y into 5x plus 2y square, and verify the result for x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. So first you solve product of given two binomials, that is 2x square minus 5x into 5x plus 2y square is equal to 2x square into 5x plus 2y square and minus 5x into 5x plus 2y square is equal to 2 5 the 10 x cube plus 2 2 the 4 x square y square minus 5 5 the 25 x square minus 5 2 the 10 x y square. So therefore 2x square minus 5y into 5x plus 2y square is equal to 10x cube plus 4x square y square minus 25 x square minus 10x y square. Now to verify the result, put the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 in LHS and RHS. We get, dear students, in LHS 2x square minus 5y into 5x plus 2y square at x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 is equal to 2. X equal to 2, so 2 square minus 5, y equal to minus 1. Into 5x, x equal to plus 2 into y square. Is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus minus plus 5 into 5 to the 10 plus 2 into minus 1 square 1, 2 into 1 2, that is 8 5 13 into 10 plus 2 12, 13 to 12 156. And now RHS is equal to 10x cube plus 4x square y square minus 25x square minus 10x y square is equal to 10x equal to 2 plus 4 x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 minus 25 x square minus 10 x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. So simplify 10 into 2 to the 8 plus 4 into 2 to the 2 to power q equal to 8 2 to the 4 into minus 1 square 1, and here 25 into 2 to the 4 minus 10 into 2 into 1 2 is equal to 10 8 the 80 plus 4 4 the 16 minus 25 for the 100 minus 10 to the 20 is equal to sorry student, your question 2x square minus 5y, by mistake I wrote 2x square minus 5x instead of 5y. So your solution is wrong. So again see question number first. Dear student, 2x square minus 5y into 5x plus 2y. So 2x square into 5x plus minus plus 2y minus 5y into 5x plus 2, 5y into 5x plus 2y square. And here 2 into 5, 10x cube plus 2 to the 4 x square y square minus 5 5 the 25 xy minus plus minus 5 to the 10 y cube. Therefore 2x square minus 5y into 5x plus 2y square equal to 10x cube plus 4x square y square minus 25xy minus 10y cube. Now, to verify the result, put x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 in LHS and RHS. So dear students, LHS equal to 2x square minus 5y into 5x plus 2y square is equal to 2x square. 2 into x equal to 2, 2 square minus 5 into 1 into 5x, 5 into 2 plus 2y square, y equal to minus 1 square is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus plus 5 into 5 to the 10 plus 2, that is 13 into 12, that is 156. Now, and RHS equal to 10x cube plus 4x square y square minus 25xy minus 10y cube is equal to 10x equal to 2 plus 4 into 2 square into minus 1 square minus 25 into 2, x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 and 10 minus 1 cube. So is equal to 10 into 8 plus 4 into 2 to the 4 minus plus 25 to the 50 and 10 into minus 1 cube, minus 1 is equal to 10 8 ja 80 plus 4 4 ja 16 plus 50 minus into minus plus 10 is equal to 6 8 1 9 9 4 5 14 1 15. So therefore LHS equal to RHS, very fine. And next question is, now next question, third, simplify. Dear student, 2x minus 3y into 3x plus y plus x plus 2y into x minus y. So 2x into 3x plus y minus 3y into 3x plus y, first step, and x into x minus y plus 2y into x minus y is second step, is equal to 2x into 3x, 6x square plus 2xy minus 3 3 ja 9xy minus plus minus 3y square, and here x into x square minus xy plus 2y into x, 2xy minus 2y square is equal to 6x square, and here plus x square. 2xy minus 9xy, that is minus 7xy, minus 7xy, and here 2xy, minus 3y square, and dear students, x minus xy plus 2xy, only xy, not 2xy, and here 3y square, and here minus 2y square is equal to 6x square plus x square, 7x square, and minus 7xy plus xy, minus 6xy, and 3 minus 2, minus 5y square. This is your answer. And dear students, today's class is over, and your homework is do worksheet 3 of chapter algebraic expression. Thanks, have a nice day.